Now, what if your person can't help you really at all, but you don't have lift equipment? When somebody can't move at all and they're very heavy, you can buy lift equipment that reaches over the bed, or Hoyer lifts can work also. But if you're at home and just doing turning and repositioning, there are ways to turn somebody by yourself and just get the task done without using the lift equipment. Now this is called a U-turner, and this is a lift sheet that's shaped like a U. It's for turning, and then I'll show you how to lift. Of course, Kelly's going to drop the mattress. The U-turner actually fits under one side under the shoulder, and you can just tuck it under her neck and under the pillow. And then the other side, you want to go down to the U and then tuck it under her legs. So lift up her knees. Then you can lift up the other knee if you can reach, okay, and get it as far under as you reasonably can without reaching or having too much force. Okay, and then you want to tuck under her body at least 3 inches. You just tuck it under there. You don't have to lift or anything. You just tuck it under there so that it's kind of lifting under her torso. So then she's going to come around and pull the straps through, and then pull the other end through, so you're pulling it under her butt. So it's lifting her, actually it's the upper part of her leg just below her butt, like near the sit bones. Then you throw the straps under. Now the straps are close to you, and Kelly can actually lift by the straps without bending her legs too much. Now, of course, you still want to have the bend, at least bend the knee that's furthest away from you, right? Okay. You can bend both legs. It works okay, but at least this knee if you can. And sometimes you might have to help them bend. If they can't bend their knees, then they can't bend their knees. If they have a lot of hip pain, it's not a bad idea to put a pillow between their hips, between their legs, sorry. So that actually works pretty good too, okay? Now we've got her knees are more comfortable, and this is going to help her hips also. Okay, so she's going to look up. She's by herself. She's going to look up, but she is talking to her person, and she's saying, okay, we're going to turn on the side, right?
On 3, we'll turn. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, good. Now, you'll notice that she's able to pull them all the way over. We can actually sort of steady this so that it's nice and flat. Now, this particular one, the U-turner, has little clips that you can put on the other side and help your person stay there, because a lot of people can't stay in this position, and when you let go, they flop back over. So if that's happening to you, you can clip this, but it's only long enough so that you can do the peri-care that you need to, and then maybe change the linens or whatever. Now, before Kelly walks away, she's going to have to raise the rail, right? She can clip this, but she can raise the rail so that we don't have any accidents, all right? So